Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. You might have wondered how people upload pictures like this on their Instagram pages, just like this. So let me show you how I do mine, and I guess there are some applications some people use, to just make the collage and everything. But this is the way I do it. For example, I want to upload these 6 pictures. I want to upload these 6 pictures on let's say into 3 slides on Instagram. 3 slides on Instagram. So the best size normally you can upload on Instagram is 4:5 or 8:10 ratio. Some people use square, but the best is still 4:5 ratio or 8:10. So now, since I want to upload these 6 pictures into 3 slides, that is slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, so what I'm going to do is that I will come to my Photoshop. I have 6 pictures, so I want 3 slides, and the best size you can upload per slide is 4:5 or 8:10 ratio. So now you create Ctrl N, or you can come to your file, new. So now, because I want to create 3 slides and I want to put like 6 pictures, so what I will do is that, and then the ratio is 8:10. So now I will make my height to be the 10 or 5, the ratio. Then this is 8 times 3, so that's 24. So it's now going to be 8:10, 8:10 per slide. Okay, so let me just say Instagram upload. There's a 3 upload. Okay, let me say 3 slides upload. Okay, then you click on your OK. So this is it. You have your 24. This is, when you use your ruler, this ruler from here to here. If your ruler is not showing on your Photoshop, just press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or Command and R if you're using the Mac. So Ctrl R, then right click to see the dimension. So it's in inches. So your width is now is 24, then your height from here to here is 10. So now, because I want 3 slides, and then so that each of the slides will be 8:10 or 4:5 ratio. So now I'll bring my ruler, just drag. So this should be 8. This is the first 8. So this is the first 8. From here to here will be 8. Then from here to here is the 10. That's my first 8:10, my first slide. Then the second slide is, the next 8 will be on 16. So bring another ruler, drag and put on the 16. Okay, so now we have 3 slides. We have, this is the first 8:10. This is another 8:10. Let me use a ruler, the brush. This is the first 8:10. This is the second, then this is the third. Can you see? So because from here to here, this is 8 inches. Then from here to here is 10 inches. So 8:10 for this first slide, for slide 1, 8:10 for slide 2, 8:10 for slide 3. Now I'll bring in my pictures, as many pictures as you want. So now, and you can make your slide as long as you want, as long as you understand this simple dimensioning and then the simple measurement. So you can go as long as maybe 10 slides, because that's the maximum number of slides you can use on Instagram as at the moment. So now I'll drag in my 6 pictures. Okay, so I have my 6 pictures. These are the 6 pictures. I can just, these are the 6 pictures. I can bring this. I'm going to delete it at the end of the day. Okay, so rearrange these 6 pictures in any pattern you really want. Alright, so for me, I'm done. This is the way I made my own arrangements. Okay, these old pictures. So if I should even group, so from here to on the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and these are the pictures. Then the next thing you do is you can just save this one as, you can save it like a backup. I might even decide to just flatten the whole image here. I flatten. Since I have my ruler 8x10, 8x10, so the next thing to do, because the best size for you to upload per slide on Instagram is 4:5 ratio, that is 8x10, 16:20, like that upwards. So you use 4:5 for 8x10. Now you recrop this per section, 1, 2, 3. I'll crop, your crop to pick your ratio 4:5 or 8x10. So you can even see this is already selected. You can save this as number 2, or better still, bring your crop to crop, adjust it. Okay, I have the first one, so save this. So come back to your history, come back to the flatten. You already saved the first one. Crop again this, then save it. Alright, that's all you need to do. So put them in the same folder, upload from your PC or your phone, any gadget you're using to upload on your Instagram. So now we have 1, 2, 3. This 1, 2, 3, they will appear as 3 different slides. This is slide 1, this is slide 2. You can see the continuation here. Then this is slide 3. So that is how you upload, just the way I did here of this picture. Thanks for watching this tutorial to this point. See you in the next tutorial, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to see my next upload. You can follow me on Instagram as well, Pascal Concept Photography. On Facebook, Pascal Concept Photography. Alright, thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.